Well, folks, this is my neighbor's 928 across the street. His bracket for his shooter control broke that connects to the handlebars here. So I'm going to show you really quick how to replace this. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about here. Here's the bracket for the shooter control on the older HS models that works your chute. On my neighbor's machine it broke, so I'm going to replace it today. Okay, the first thing I got to do, let me see, the first thing I have to do is remove the grip. And how you remove the grip is that you twist it and you pull at the same time and it will come off. It's the same way you put it back on. You put it back on, you twist it and push on. Usually it's pretty easy. Next thing I have to do is remove, this is where the broken part is. I'm going to have to remove this hardware. This is a broken piece here, so I can just slide the old one off. Okay, here's I got a used one. I can put a grommet, this is what we're talking about with the rubber grommets in here, but he doesn't want one. But you can get a rubber grommet for this at a hardware store for less than $2. Because usually there's a plastic clip in here that breaks easily. So you just put it on the same way that it came off. Just slides right on. And then you put your hardware back in it. Okay, so I put the bolt back in and tighten up the nut. And all I have to do is push my grip back on. Push it and twist at the same time, and now it's on. So it's a fairly easy repair. It's just knowing how to do it. I got this used part off another snowblower, so now he's back in business. So thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. And I want to thank everybody for watching these videos and subscribing. And check out the Facebook group also, Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts. Thank you.